Welcome to Terminology Tutor. Today, we're exploring 100 essential items. From helpful tools for seniors to baby essentials and pet supplies, we've got a wide range of useful items. Let's get started. Medication organizer. Pill cutter or pill crusher. Cane. Wheelchair. Raised toilet seat. Medical alert bracelet. Shower chair. Bedside commode. Walker.
Blood pressure monitor. Heating pad or ice pack. Orthopedic shoes. Compression socks. Reacher grabber. Adaptive eating utensils. Non-slip mats. Jar opener. Magnifying glass.
Large button phone. Easy grip pens and pencils. Large print books. Talking clock and watch. Smart home devices.
Adult diapers or incontinence pads.
Denture. Orthopedic cushion. Blankets or throws.
Comfortable clothing. Clothes that is easy to put on and take off. Foot massager.
Handheld shower head.
Electric razor. Dressing stick. Adaptive clothing. Ramps.
Lift chair. Adjustable bed. Stair lift. Anti-slip tape for mats.
Light switch extender. Carbon monoxide detector. Emergency preparedness kit. Crossword puzzle. Books. Board games and card games. Digital tablet.
Memory games or brain exercises. Senior center. Power of attorney documents. Legal papers that grant one person the authority to act on behalf of another person in financial, legal, or health matters.
Healthcare proxy. A document appointing someone to make medical decisions for you.
Living will. A document detailing your medical treatment preferences.
Life insurance. A policy that pays money to beneficiaries upon the policyholder's death. Wheelchair accessible vehicle. Family photo album.
Video calling device.
Pet food. Water bowl. Food bowl. Treats.
Automatic feeder. Dog bed. Fish tank. Heat lamp. Pet carrier.
Pet stroller. Pet seat belt. Chew toys. Catnip toys. Scratching post. Bird perch. Training clicker.
Training pads. Collar. Leash. Pet gate. Pet ID tag.
Litter box. Pet waste bags.
Baby bottle. Baby formula. Bottle warmer.
Bottle sterilizer. Sippy cup. Onesie. Baby bibs. Crib. Bassinet.
Diaper. Baby wipes. Hand sanitizer. Infant bathtub. Thermometer.
Nasal aspirator.
Baby nail clippers. Stroller. Infant car seat. Car seat.
Baby carrier. Baby swing.
Rattle. Teething ring. Baby monitor. Baby bouncer.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.